Welcome to my channel. Imagine speaking English every single day, even if nobody is there to practice with you. Imagine sounding clearer, faster, more confident just from your room. Today, I'll show you how to practice English at home with no partner and still grow like crazy. The method in Chapter 3 is the one most learners skip, and it changes everything when you use it. Stay with me because every chapter builds on the last one. Before we begin, tap subscribe, like this video, and write in the comments. Do you usually practice alone or with someone? Watch until the end, because each step connects, and when they connect, your English becomes unstoppable. Chapter 1: Why Practicing Alone Works Better Than You Think. When people start learning English, they think, I need a partner. I need someone to talk with. But here's the strange part. Practicing alone often works even better at the beginning. You feel less afraid. You don't worry about mistakes. You don't feel embarrassed. And when fear disappears, real learning begins. Most people never notice this. They think silence equals failure. But silence is where confidence grows. You can talk about simple things around you. I am making tea. I am reading a book. I am going to the market. These sentences look small, but small sentences build strong speaking habits. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners: recording their voice. When you record yourself and listen back, you hear your own progress. It's shocking the first time. You think, that actually sounded good, and suddenly your brain wants more. Then we add something powerful: shadowing. You listen to a short line of English, and at the same time, you speak it. Not after, not before, right with it. At first, it feels strange, but soon your mouth learns the rhythm, the sound, the music of English. This is where everything starts to change, and it happens without needing anyone else in the room. Now let's build a routine so it becomes natural every day. Chapter 2: Your daily 10-minute English routine. Imagine a simple plan. Just 10 minutes. No stress, no long lessons, no complicated grammar. Most people think they need hours. But here's the truth. Short daily practice beats long random practice every single time. Let's break the 10 minutes. First, listen to a short English clip. It could be a small story, a conversation, or a video. Just listen. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is warming up. Next, shadow it. Speak with the audio, not perfect, not fast, just together. This part feels almost like singing, and that's where the magic happens. Your tongue starts to move more freely. Your brain connects sounds with meaning. But here's the surprising part. After a few days, you will repeat words automatically. You won't even think. Now, record yourself saying the same lines alone, only 30 seconds. Then play it back. Most learners avoid this because they feel shy. But when they finally do it, they hear improvement. They realize, my pronunciation is changing. This moment creates motivation. It pushes you forward. Finish your 10 minutes with one more shadowing round. This last step locks everything into your memory. You feel like you actually spoke, not just studied. Most people never build a system like this, and that's why they quit. But you won't, because this routine is small, clear, and powerful. And in the next chapter, we go deeper into shadowing the method that turns you from shy to confident. Chapter 3: Shadowing. The secret method most learners ignore. Shadowing sounds simple. You listen and speak at the same time. But here's the strange part. It trains your brain faster than normal repeating. When you shadow, you copy intonation, speed, pauses, and emotion. You're not just saying words. You're copying how English lives. Most people repeat after the speaker. That's good, but Shadowing is different. It forces your mouth to move like a native speaker's mouth. Think about how babies learn. They don't wait, they mumble, they echo, they copy, and slowly they sound natural. Adults forget this, but when you shadow, you become like that child again, brave, curious, unafraid of noise. Let me show you what changed everything for many students. Choosing clips that are short and real. A small scene from a movie, a short podcast story, a simple conversation. At first, you'll miss words. That's normal. Don't stop. Keep speaking with it. Every second, your brain is adjusting. Then something happens around day 3 or 4. Your timing improves. Your mouth feels lighter. You start to predict sounds. And here's the big surprise. Your listening improves faster than your speaking. Suddenly, conversations feel clearer. Most learners ignore shadowing because it feels hard at the beginning. But the truth is, it is the fastest path to natural speech. And once you combine shadowing with real conversations, even imaginary ones speaking becomes easier. That's what we'll build next. Chapter 4. From words to real conversations without a partner. Now you know how to shadow. But how do you practice full conversations when nobody is there? Simple. You play both roles. It sounds funny, but it works. Ask yourself, how are you? Then answer, I'm fine. I had a busy day. Then ask another question. Keep it moving. But here's the strange part. When you do this, you learn to think in English, not translate. You can practice real life moments. Ordering food, meeting someone new, asking for help, talking about your day. Every situation becomes a small scene, and every scene builds confidence. Most people never try this because they think it looks silly, but great learners don't care how it looks. They care how it works. And this works. Add shadowing again. Find short dialogues online, shadow them, then perform them yourself. You speak clearer. You sound more natural. And slowly, fear fades. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. They started recording their role plays. After 1 week, they listened back and thought, this does not sound like the old me. And here's a secret. Even native speakers practice like this when they learn new languages. They role play, they repeat, they shadow. You're doing what successful learners do. And when you do this every day for 1 week, something big happens. Your brain switches from I'm learning English to I'm using English. And that's what we talk about next. Chapter 5. What happens? After 7 days of shadowing, day 1 feels strange. You stumble, you pause, you feel slow. But here's the interesting thing. By day 3, your mouth moves faster. You recognize sounds you missed before. By day 5, you feel more comfortable speaking without stopping. And by day 7, something important happens. You start thinking in small English sentences automatically. Most people never notice this shift. They are looking for big miracles. But progress in English is quiet. It grows inside your brain. Then, one moment, you speak a sentence smoothly and realize, I didn't translate, I just spoke. That is the moment everything changes. Listen to your recordings from day 1 and compare them with day 7. You will hear clearer sounds, better rhythm, less fear. It's almost shocking, and that shock gives you motivation. Let me show you what changed everything for learners who continued. They made it a routine, not a challenge. They didn't stop after 7 days. They said, this is part of my life now. Shadowing builds fluency layer by layer. And when you add role plays and daily speaking, your brain connects everything. Suddenly, English is not homework. It's communication. And once you feel that, you never want to go back. Now let's lock this into a habit you actually enjoy. Chapter 6. Turn English practice into a daily habit you love. Habits make progress automatic. If you wait for motivation, you will miss days. But if you create a small daily plan, English keeps growing. Set a time, morning, afternoon, or night. Only 10 minutes. Too busy? Do 5, but do it every day. Most people skip days and wonder why they don't improve. Consistency is the real secret. Put English where your phone time is. Instead of scrolling for 10 minutes, shadow for 10 minutes. Instead of silence while walking, listen and repeat. Little changes create big results. And here's the beautiful part. After some weeks, English feels natural. You don't fight it. You don't fear it. You simply use it. Add rewards. After practice, say, "Nice job." It sounds small, but your brain loves that feeling. It wants to do it again tomorrow. And every shadowing session adds another brick to your fluency. Soon, you notice yourself speaking faster, thinking faster, understanding faster. Most people quit too early. But you won't, because now you know exactly what to do. Listen, shadow, record, role play, repeat. Simple, clear, powerful. And every day you do it, you move one step closer to natural English. So now tell me in the comments, which part will you try first recording, shadowing, or daily routine? If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to speak better English. More simple lessons are coming, and the next one will build directly on what you learned today.